Automatic tomato paste, filling, capping, labeling, packing machine line. Fully automatic servo piston filling machine adopts servo control filling capacity, accuracy and convenient adjustment. Applicable to all kinds of sauces, beverages with fruit, etc. Automatic 4 wheels capping machine, advanced man machine, interface operating system. 4 wheels capping running, the capping speed quick, the force balance. Automatic round bottle labeling machine is designed for bottle automation, saving labor costs and improving production efficiency. Servo control, accurate positioning, more stable and safe operation.